Flying into the air. It's not a bird or a plane in the sky, but a balloon this monsoon.
Yeah, not your typical balloon, not a Mylar party balloon either. It's a sophisticated tool used to gather weather data. ABC 15's Allison Rodriguez joining us now live from SRP headquarters in Tempe.
So Allison, how often do they launch these balloons?
So guys, they launch these twice a day during monsoon. They come up here to the roof, which is where I am at the SRP Tempe headquarters. They release the balloons. I'm not going to release it just yet. Give me 1 second, but I have to tell you, they're collecting hours of data. Now, I do want to show you what one of those launches does look like. So take a look at this video. And when that data comes pouring in, the entire weather community is using it, from our own meteorologists to national forecasters. Now, joining me live this morning is SRP senior meteorologist James Walter. So I appreciate you being here with me. You're going to kind of Vanna White for me a second here. I'm going to unveil this and you're going to hold on to the balloon so we can see just how massive it really is. So here I go. The scrawny arms are going, and wow, look at how big that thing is. And you know what? I was holding it earlier. It's a bit weighted. So I have to ask you, when did all of this start? When did you start launching these?
We started launching these in the late 90s.
Okay, and so what kind of data are you guys collecting?
SRP receives temperature, relative humidity, pressure, wind speed, and wind direction.
So how is that helping you guys?
We use that to produce special forecasts that help us understand how much power needs to be generated on a given day.
I thought this was so interesting. I like that you guys do this all across the valley, all across the state at the exact same time, but you're saying it's not just us here in Arizona.
That's correct. They're doing it all over the world at the same time.
To send these up so you guys can learn more. It really is an international effort to get all of this. So we're not going to launch it just yet. So I'm going to have you hold on to it. Less pressure for me in case I get some slippery fingers. Thank you, James, for being here. We appreciate it. So coming up in the next half hour, we are going to launch this balloon live into the desert sky, and we'll bring you guys along for that. Reporting live in Tempe, I'm Allison Rodriguez, ABC 15 Arizona.
We could add one of those YouTube moments there with Allison.
Yeah, that's
whoops.
true.
Oh,
There
we need that data. We need it to be good, that's for sure.
You love crunching the numbers.
Well, it's so important to have this data because we can see the data here at the ground, right at the surface, the temperature, the dew point, the humidity, all of that. But we need to know what's happening higher up in the atmosphere to really understand what to expect later on. So let me just